Most people believe a fifth generation fighter jet is defined by speed or by its firepower. But modern air combat is no longer won by who flies faster. It is won by who sees first, who understands the battlefield first, and who acts before the enemy even knows a fight has begun. A fifth generation fighter is not just an aircraft. It is a flying sensor, a command node, and a silent weapon designed to control the sky through information. A fifth generation fighter jet is simply faster or even more powerful than the fourth generation. In reality, its true advantage lies in how it fights and survives in modern air combat. Rather than relying on speed or maneuvering alone, these aircrafts are designed to remain difficult to detect, using stealth shaping, specialized materials, and internal weapon bays to delay enemy awareness long enough to strike first. At the same time, a fifth generation fighter continuously gathers information from radar, infrared, and electronic sensors, fusing it into a single clear picture of battle space. This information is shared instantly with other aircrafts, ships, and command centers, allowing the jets to operate not as an isolated platform, but as a part of coordinated combat network. The result is an aircraft built to identify threats before they are seen, engage them before they are respond, and dominate the airspace without ever needing to enter a traditional dogfight, demonstrating that in modern warfares, air superiority is achieved not through speed alone, but through awareness, integration, and control.